I cleaned out the bottom of my closet and like really sanitized it and set up the baby gate. I don't think they can climb the baby gate. I'm standing here for a long time to make sure they can't climb the baby gate. But they've gotten to where they like kind of have started fighting because there's such little room in the playpen. And I was going to actually move them to the big playpen, but I just did this instead because I've been thinking about doing this anyway. And their litter box is gonna go right there. I'm gonna sanitize it real quick while I just put them in there. And you should have seen them when I first put them in there. They were looking at me like, "What is this?" But now they have room. Now they have room to run around and explore. And I'll put a blanket in the bed, and then their food will go over here. And I'm gonna get a little shallow water dish. I haven't had any luck with water yet, but you know, we'll get a little shallow one. So, and there's plenty of room in here for me to get in here and sit with them and play. But with the playpen, I couldn't play with them very well, and they would run all over the place when I took them out. And this way, they're contained, but they have a lot bigger of an area, and I can play with them to where they are socialized. Because the cream colored one and the gray one, they don't like being handled, and anytime I move quickly, it freaks them out. So, you know, and they really need pets. They need to be held and petted and played with. Because so far their experience with humans has not been great. Even with me. Because with me, you know, I was so busy making sure they ate and keeping them alive and giving them medicine and giving them baths that most of our interactions were that kind of thing. And that's not good. It's not good at all. So now we can have pleasant and fun time. I need to put a couple little balls and stuff in here too, but I was really just trying to get everything done and get them in there. Mm-hmm. What? I know. I'll get you some food, even though it's not really eating time yet, but the ginger is always hungry, and the ginger is got a huge belly. I know, I'm coming. I know. Oh. Oh, the little black one hit the ball. It's really difficult because these guys have to be at least 5, maybe 6 weeks old, but they're so small that you really think they're like newborn. I mean, they're just, you know, it's very weird because I keep forgetting that they, you know, have the mental skills of they're 5, 6 week old kittens. They just look like they shouldn't even be able to run. You know, but they run and jump. That's why I'm standing here, to make sure they can't climb the gate. Because although they look tiny and like they shouldn't be able to climb the gate, they might be able to. Oh yes, there you go. Use that litter box. Okay, okay. I know. Alright. Be nice. Be nice. And I know I'm filthy. And so are they. We're all filthy. I know, but I feel bad bathing them so much. But they're just so messy. Oh, look at that baby. I know, look at that pot belly. And I know, I don't have my swim on. I've got my shirt pulled down so they can't hit my thumb that much. But I took it off because I cannot bottle feed with it on, and then I always forget to put it back on. Okay, be careful. Be careful. I mean, do you see how messy they are? Did you see this one's face? But the little black one is in the litter box. I'd show you. But they're like, they're losing patches of fur. Not only from the baths, but and the cream colored one, well, I can't show you. Because, I don't know, that's just weird. But has like the most irritated little bottom and has lost all his fur like up at the base of his tail from the diarrhea, which is actually getting better. They are getting so better. They've got little bellies, and 3 of them will now take the bottle like champions. Yes, you're one of them. The cream colored one will not. Look at that. Oh, but you know what? I'd rather them be dirty and healthy and happy. See, look at that. I just, you know, but they're just, when you, I don't know, but I would rather them be a little dirty. They had a bath yesterday, and I just cannot bathe them every day. I mean, physically I could. I just don't want to because I think it's taking a toll on them. Okay. Oh, honey. I'll cover it. Oh, I wish the black one would come. He has lost the most patches of fur. But, I mean, look at them. They're running around. They're running around playing. I have all kinds of little toys in here. Okay, we had to take a small break, solve some litter box problems, but now we're back. Oh, let me show you. Here. Okay, see, look. Look. He is missing patches all over in his poor back legs on the insides. His hair is gone. I think that's from the diarrhea. He's got, like, under his armpits, he's just lost a bunch of hair. But it actually is starting to come. I mean, he hasn't lost any in a while. That all happened within, like, probably the first week. Oh, what? What is it, the bug? What is it? Are you just precious? You are just precious. But they are. I mean, look at them. They've gotten round. And they're full of energy, and they're eating like champions. Like eating like champions, even if you're just kind of gross. But that's okay. I don't mind you being gross. Yeah, like you have food all over your nose. What the bug? Are you the neediest one? The ginger is the neediest kitten ever. Ever. Yes. It's really funny because the ginger's the neediest, and then The cream colored one is the most independent. Like the cream colored one just doesn't even care. And the cream colored one is the only one that won't bottle feed. Oh, but let me show you what I do. I get, and I know it's messy, guys, but it's just going to be messy. I get a can of the chicken kitten food, and then I just like literally pour a ton of KMR on it. I tried everything else. I tried like smoothing it out, you know, making like a smoothie, and I tried, this was the best. I mean, because he just can like lap it up, and he does. I mean, he's big. He's probably, him and the gray one are probably the biggest ones. Look at him wrestling. Oh, are you going to eat my hand? I just love that they have enough energy to do this. It just makes my heart soar. I mean, I love these babies to death. I mean, I love all kittens. We know I love all kittens. But, oh, these babies. Oh, no, 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 no. No. There we go. Oh. See, look at this baby. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. Gentle. Oh, okay. They're getting her. Hey. Calm down. Whoa. What was that? Poor baby. He just has no fur anywhere. Excuse the dirty windows. Oh, did you hear me? Oh, y'all are precious. I wish the windows weren't dirty because this would be a really cute picture. Hello, babies. Oh, there's actually 5. Is there more than that? 1, 2. Maggie and Rose. Maggie is behind Hippo. Oh, there she goes. Hi. Hi. Oh, look at that. Precious babies.